All right, 2026, start of a new season. We're able to get material in now. Half loads have finally been lifted. Our season is finally started. All right, 2026, start of a new season. We had a late start, late spring. Took a while for it to warm up and the frost to give away, so we're able to get material in now. Half loads have finally been lifted, and that means our season is finally started. And we're actually here at a new job, a new project, and this one's going to be really cool. We're going to do things a little bit different. So I noticed as I was uploading throughout the wintertime is where I really get a lot more time to work on our videos and stuff. So we have been uploading last year's content up to literally a couple days ago, and so we started to shift the entire way of doing the videos because we started to look at some of the feedback. Now, as the channel started growing, we started to get comments. A lot of those comments I know are people that never subscribe to the channel. They come, they watch one video, and then they disappear. But at the same time, it is still constructive criticism. So we're actually going to shift the format a little bit, and we're going to try, if there's a lot of content for the day, then we're going to do video for the day. And if it's maybe 2 days, then we'll do video content for 2 days and get those up and see how that goes, because people are asking for more content, more what happens behind, like the process, as well as, people want stuff from the cab of the excavator, or they want the exterior. I know you can't keep everybody happy, but we're going to try and just shift a little bit in our content. So with that being said, we are at a new job. This one is pretty cool. It's a land clearing job. We got to work the driveway, and I just spoke. We got to our supplier, and we have some material being brought in right now. And the reason being is it's actually late in the afternoon, and I don't know if you can see, but I'm actually full of mud. And I just came back from looking at another job where we had to go in through with ATVs and go in 100 acres towards the back, and I got mud all over me. We ended up breaking down in there, and it was fun. I should have actually recorded it. I never thought. Anyways, so I'm getting some instant material coming in. I have a culvert that we got to stick in. We got to stick it in here, and this is actually runoff. This actually runs all year round, and when you get the spring melt too, it comes through. So we're putting a culvert in. We are going right across here. So that's actually where we're clearing, is in there. So I got to be able to get across tonight, and then hopefully tomorrow they can bring the rest of the material in, and we can actually fill it up. So going to work pretty much into the evening tonight, try and get as much as we can done. There is a lot of cleanup too. We have chipping to do. There's not so much out here. This is basically some of it. We're going to tidy it up, work the driveway in, and then get the culvert in, get across to that side. We got about an acre to clear, and then the outskirts we're going to kind of thin out. Once we clear most of this stuff, I'm going to bring in a chipper, and we're going to chip it all. So Michaela's coming too tonight. The school should be out, I guess, shortly. This is actually her final year. She's saying that next year she wants to go back for some more credits, but we'll see how it goes through the summer. She might change her mind. School's almost done. She's got about a month left. So she is coming today. She's excited to get back to work, and she's going to do most of the filming as we try and catch up on being behind. So with that, let's get started and see where we end up. Here we go. right, so my favorite buddy is here. I don't know if she actually even said hi when she first adjusted the camera. Anyways, we were in a mad rush. Don't know how much was on the camera. I'll only see it after, but we were in a mad rush because of the timing tonight, and I needed to get a couple loads in so that way we could get the culvert in tonight. So we are heading to go get the culvert now. We got a few in. As the dump truck was coming in, it was too soft, so we ended up having to spread some of the pit run so it's able to come back here. And I got this set up. We kind of cleaned out a little bit there. We're going to put the culvert starting right about there. That way it'll actually drain into the culvert and run it all the way down to here. We'll get it covered tonight initially, so that way it's in. We're not expecting any serious type of rain. Tomorrow morning we'll be back to finish filling it up. And yeah, so we're going to go grab the culvert right now. This stuff here is going to have to come out here once we get the culvert in. The main thing was we had to rough it in. I had to be able to get to the area to figure out where we were putting it. So the hard part was the way this stream is structured. It kind of stepped down to get to here. This is level here, but this is where the customer wanted the driveway to be. So I had to kind of adjust to make everything work and make them happy at the same time. So with that, we're going to head over, grab the culvert, and we will be back. Watch, it is heavy. Right here.
Where that lump of sticks is, got it. Well, right at the
Right
end.
up at the sticks, I said. You want to put it on the sticks?
Is the GoPro okay there?
Nope. situation with sticks?
It's on some of the sticks. Okay, I got it.
Take it off the outside too. Off the bucket. All right, so we are almost finished for the night. Michaela's over here. She's cold and she's miserable. I don't know if you guys saw her there, but the black flies are out and they were getting her in the face while she was holding the culvert. Anyways, so we got enough for tonight. Tomorrow we are going to finish. I was trying to find some big boulders to put along the side. We're going to clean it up, and the water's flowing through really, really nice. And yeah, so we got it roughed in good enough. This has to come out more, obviously, to finish that. Tomorrow we'll get the rest of the pit run, and there is a lot that has to go, because you figure it's there, we have to lift it up to level with that. So yeah, we can probably knock some of that out and we'll make it gradual going up, but it still has to be a lot more material brought in. But other than that, for an evening we did pretty good, and at least put a dent in things. Got a long ways to go, so we'll see you tomorrow.